Okay, wait a moment, yeah. Check. How about now? Can you hear me? Okay, good. Yes. Welcome back to our Monday class. Yeah, the first day in the week. And today, as usual, we will practice the mobility of the joints and also flexibility of the muscles. And hopefully, your body will be relaxed and also stretch after the practice. And because if you have a problem with the mobility or flexibility, sometimes the flow of the energy is also stuck and make discomfort in the part of your body. Yeah, that's why we need to practice the mobility and also flexibility. Okay, let's start the class. Directly sit on the floor. You can sit cross legs and make sure the sitting bones grounding to the floor. Lengthen the spine and relax your palms to your thighs. As usual, we start with closing our eyes for a moment. And inward, everything going inside. Inward, the body, mind, soul. So you can feel this present moment. Welcoming yourself to this practice. Open your heart, open your mind. And be grateful for this morning. Let's start to bring our awareness to our breathing. Yeah, let's inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose with more mindful. And let the breath as the bridge, between mind, body, and soul this morning. Let's start with full yogic breathing. So inhale, expanding your ribs, your belly, your ribs, and your chest. Exhale, relax your belly, relax your chest, ribs, and your belly. Inhale, full yogic breathing, feel from the bottom to the top. And exhale, empty from the top to the bottom. And do this full yogic breathing for a few rounds. Once you feel comfortable, once you feel relaxed, you can start to do the soft ujjayi breathing. Can narrowing your throat when you do inhale and exhalation. So you can feel friction in the body. Start to feel the heat in the body because the ujjayi is more energized. You don't need to do the strong ujjayi like Ashtanga yoga, but just just do the soft ujjayi. Only you can hear the sound of your breath. And let's start with the Samasthiti, soft ujjayi breathing. Always balance between the inhale and exhalation. Stay there for one more minute. Be mindful with the body, mind, breath. Start always enjoy this present moment, the precious moment of your life, the me time. 3 more breath. Inhale, exhale, 2 more breath, and 1 last inhale, exhaling completely. Okay, from here gently open your eyes. Start with the moving of the neck or the cervical. Yeah, so inhale, lengthen the neck, the cervical. Exhale, let's flexion the neck, so bring the chin down to the chest. Inhale again, lengthen, extend the cervical, look forward. Exhale, 1 more round, chin to your chest, flexion your neck. Good, stay there with the chin to your chest. And now inhale, let's do half rotation, chin to your right shoulder. And exhale, chin to your chest. Now inhale, chin to your left shoulder. Exhale, chin to your chest. 1 more round. Inhale, chin to your right. Feel the movement on the cervical. Exhale, chin to the chest. 1 last, chin to your left. Inhale. And exhale, chin to the chest. Now inhale, look forward. Exhale, look to your right side. Yeah, look to the right. Yeah, make sure your upper spine, the thoracic, also lengthen. Okay, stay there for a moment. Now feel the twist on the cervical. Exhale again, chin to the center or look forward. Now exhale, look to your left side. Inhale, center. Now exhale, again chin to your chest. Okay. Now inhale, lengthen your neck, lift your arms up. And now combination with the movement of the cervical and also the shoulder. Yeah, exhale, interlace your fingers behind your head. First, open your elbows to the side. Inhale, you can push your back head to the palm, slightly look up. Extend your neck. Exhale, elbows in, and then chin to your chest. Okay, let's do 1 more round. Inhale, look forward or maybe look up, push your head back. Now open your elbows to the side. Feel the internal rotation of your shoulders. Exhale, elbows in, external rotation of your shoulders, your arms, and then chin to your chest. Great. Inhale, look forward. Yeah. And raise your arms up. Yeah, this time, release your left hands down to the floor. Bend your right elbow and touch your left ear. Right ear to the right shoulder. Yeah, so a slight weight on the left head, so you can feel the stretching on the left neck. Okay, and then reach the left arm to the side this time. Yeah, reach your left arm to the side and keep looking forward. Cow, look forward. Yeah, keep looking forward. Yes. Yeah, and then reach your left arm to the side. Okay, stay there with the neck, with the head, but let's move the left arm. Yeah, inhale, swing your left arm to the left ear to the right side. Yeah, exhale, swing your left arm to the side or maybe slightly back. Okay, just do 1 more. Inhale, swing your left arm to the right. Exhale, swing your left arm to the left or maybe slightly back. Okay, release your left hand first. Inhale, lengthen your neck, lift your right arm. Exhale, release your right arm down. And this time, left arm, inhale, raise. Exhale, touch your right ear and left ear to the left shoulder. Stay for a moment. Start to feel the stretching on the right neck. Okay, stay there. Don't move the neck, don't move the head. Only the right arm. Inhale, reach to the right, maximum reaching to the right. Exhale, stay. Yeah. This time, inhale, swing your right arm to the left, closer to the right ear. Exhale, swing to the right or maybe slightly back. Yes, inhale, one more, swing to the right, left. Exhale to the right. And release down to the floor. Yeah. Inhale, natural, your head, your neck, reach your left arm up. Exhale, release down. Okay, now change your position of the legs. Yeah, relax your legs for a while. Yeah, after we hold the cross legs for 15 minutes. Yeah, now shake your legs. Okay, good. Now your legs to the right into your Bharat Vajrasana. Yeah, sitting only on your left sitting bone. Yeah, great. Now inhale, lift your left arm. Now moving also the spine with the side bend. Exhale, reach to the right. You can walk your right hand more to the right and open your left chest. The movement now are not only on the neck, not only on the shoulder, but full of the spine. Feel the left sitting bones grounding to the floor. Feel the side bending, opening the left side body. Keep looking forward or look down if you want. Stay there for a moment. Inhale and exhale. Okay, this time inhale, swing your body forward, yeah, and to the left side. Okay, and then lift your hips, kick your right leg back into your modified pigeon. It's okay, diagonal to the side, yeah, to modified pigeon. Yeah, straight your right leg. Okay, now this time the fingers like a cup shape or spider fingers. Roll the shoulders first into scapula humerorum few times. So first the shoulder to the neck, to the ears, moving back, squeeze shoulder blades, exhale, release. Yeah, a few times in this scapula humerorum. Okay, and the last time inhale, move the shoulders and lift your chest up. And then look forward, lengthen the spine. Just relax your back leg. Yeah, one more breath there. Inhale, feel the extension of the spine like you do back bend. Exhale, all the way down, forward bend. Now place your right palm to the floor. Inhale, lift, and then twist the left arm back and reaching up. Twist your body to the left. Exhale, come back to your forward bend. Yeah, one more. Inhale, roll up first and lift the left arm to the back and up, circle the arms. Exhale, come back to your forward bend. Sit down on your left hips. Come back to your sitting Bharat Vajrasana. Yeah, Bharat Vajrasana. Okay. Good. Now change position with with the hands back. Okay, engage your abdominal and lift via Navasana. Yeah, via Navasana, reach your legs up. Good. Exhale, swing your legs to the left into Bharat Vajrasana, other side. Okay, good. Now reach your right arm. Inhale, tangan kanan angkat ke atas. Yeah, sitting on your right sitting bones. Exhale, side bend to the left. Yeah, stay there for a moment. Yeah, lengthen your right side body. Look forward or look down. Yeah, opening your right chest, right ribs. Yeah, moving the spine to the left. Yeah, feel the quadratus lumborum muscles. Yeah, which is connecting the lumbar with the hips. Moving or stretching. Stay one breath there. Inhale and exhale, look down. Now via forward bend and then swing your body to the right side. Yeah, then kick your left leg back hips, your right hips up, adjust your right leg into your pigeon. It's okay, diagonal to the side, and no need to move in the middle of your mat. Okay, and then first cup shapes or spider fingers of the hands, and inhale few times of scapulohumeral rhythm with these spider fingers. Okay, and then the last one, inhale scapulohumeral rhythm and roll up into your extension, and then look forward. Yes, first natural and then open chest. Good. Stay one breath there. Inhale and exhale all the way down. Now left palm to the floor. Inhale, roll up. Now swing your right arm back. Tangan kanannya ke belakang. Reach up, twist your spine. Exhale, release down, back to your forward bend. Yeah, one more. Yeah, roll up first, and then swing your right arm back. Yeah, angkat tangan kanannya, lift arms. Exhale, come back to your pigeon. Good. Release your right hip down to the floor, and all the way up, back to your Bharat Vajrasana. Okay, again via Navasana ya, hands back, slightly lean back. Inhale, lift into Navasana. Yeah, facing forward or facing to the side, to the camera, or maybe this time you can do with the arms forward. Yeah, feel engagement and also stretching for the legs, back leg, engagement for the front thighs. Stay one breath there. Inhale. Exhale, cross your legs, hands forward. If you want jump back, you can do jump back or just step back into down dog. Yes. Yeah, spread the palms. Sorry, spread the fingers. You press the palms. Yeah, adjust your down dog. You can start with lift heels, bend your knees, lengthen first the spine. You stay there for a moment in down dog. Or if you feel comfortable on the calf or on the hamstring, you can try with heels down. Yeah, or move, yeah, like walking down dog. Bend your knees at a time. The first down dog in this class. Yeah, another 3 breaths. Yeah, walking down dog or just stay with the lift heels or heels down. Make sure your spine lengthen. Your body weight not only on the hands, also on the feet. Okay, one more breath. Inhale in this down dog. Exhaling completely. Good. Now inhale, right leg up, 3-leg dog. Yeah. Now make sure your body weight on the arms same, right and left. Yeah, exhale, right knee to your chest, but this time the shoulder keep pushing up and back like down dog. Yeah, don't do like plank, but like down dog. Just right knee to your chest. Flexion your right hip. Inhale again, kick your right leg up. You can lift your left heel up into your 3-leg dog. First, only square the hips. Extend your right leg. Exhale, right knee chest. Make sure again the spine like you do down dog, not like you do plank. Okay, one more. Inhale, right leg up into your 3-leg dog. Extend your spine, extend your legs. Exhale, flexion your right hip, right knee to chest. Okay, yeah, this time inhale, this time, and then shoulder forward. Yeah, keep right knee to the chest, shoulder forward like you do plank. Yeah, exhale, hips up and shoulder back like you do down dog, and the right leg up, 3-leg dog. Yeah, one more. Yeah, inhale, stay right leg up. Exhale, right knee chest first, and then inhale, shoulder forward like plank. Exhale, hips up, shoulder back, and inhale, right leg up, 3-leg dog. And exhale, this time step forward into your low lunge. Yeah, so it's the step by step actually for the hip movement. Usually we do 3-leg dog directly to the plank, but this time step by step, so you can feel the movement on the hips. Now in this low lunge, press the back foot down to the floor. Now inhale, push your hips back. Okay, the hips square. We're not moving, we're not open the hips. Later on we will open, and then hips forward. Exhale, low lunge. Yes, inhale, hips back like half split. Exhale, hips forward, bend your right knee into low lunge. Okay, one more. Inhale, hips back, feel on the right hamstring. Exhale, push your hips forward, feel on the left front thigh. Now plus the right arm. Inhale, press your left arm down, circle your right arm, twist your spine. Twist, low lunge. And exhale, tuck your left toes, lift your left knee, and through your midline, grab your left thigh with your right hand. Now let's do it one more. Inhale, circle your right arm from the front, up and back, twist. Exhale, through your midline. If you can, straight your both legs. Good. Now inhale, just bend your right knee, press your right palm down, and kick your right leg up, 3-leg dog. Exhale, down dog. Make sure your hips square. We only want to do the flexion or an extension of the hips and shoulder. Let's do it one more for the left side. Press your palms down. Inhale, left leg up, left hip facing down, left leg up. Good. Keep the spine like this, the shoulder like this, left knee to chest. Left knee to chest. Only flexion your left. Bahunya jangan ke depan, Mbak Deci. Belum. Masih di down dog posisinya. Betul. Dorong lagi bokongnya ke atas. One more round. Inhale, 3-leg dog. Left leg up. Extend your left hip, left leg. Exhale, left knee to your chest. Flexion your left hip. Yes. Good. Now inhale, 3-leg dog. Left leg up. Keep square your left hip, Eileen. Exhale, now left knee to chest. Good. Keep left knee to your chest. Inhale, shoulder forward like you do plank. Shoulder forward like you do plank. Good. More engagement and also moving the shoulder. Exhale, push again your shoulder back, hips up. Now inhale, left leg up. One more, exhale, left knee, chest, and inhale, shoulder forward. Yes, exhale, hips back and up, shoulder back. Last one. Inhale, left leg up, straight. Exhale, left knee, chest, shoulder forward. Inhale, and step forward into your low lunge. Right knee down to the floor. Yes, so it's more step by step movement of the hips, of the shoulder. From here, hands down. You can also do with the spider, fingers down. The back leg relax to the floor. Now inhale, push your hips back. You can lift your left foot, like you do half split. Exhale, hips forward. Feel the movement on the hips, left and right. Now this time, inhale, hips back, stretching for the left hamstring, left calf. Exhale, bend your left knee, push your hip forward, stretching for right front thigh. One more. Inhale, push your hip back. Exhale, again, push your hip forward. Now right palm to the floor. You can tuck your right toes. Inhale, circle your left arm, twist. Now the movement also for the spine. Twist to the left. When you do exhale, left hand forward, lift your right knee, left hand through your midline, grab your right thigh. You can try with straight your left leg. Stretching for also the back of your left thigh. One more. Inhale, bend your left knee, circle your left arm from the front, up and back, twist your spine. Exhale, hands forward and through your midline, straight your both legs if you can. Good. Inhale again, look forward, release your hands down, and kick your left leg up, three-leg dog. Downward facing dog, exhale. Yeah, now let's start with the opening of the hips. Yeah, first round, just push your knees down to the floor, tabletop. Now we start to opening the hips and also circling the hip joints. Let's start with the right leg. Yeah, inhale, keep bending your right knee, lift your right knee up, so right toes facing up. Yes. Good. Exhale, open your right thigh to the side. Yeah, and then inhale there. Exhale, circle or internal rotation, show right knee to the chest or cross to the left. Yeah, closer to the left elbow. Yeah, inhale again, circle from the from the side, external rotation. Internal rotation, the right knee facing back and close your right hip down. And then release your right knee. Okay, let's do it for the left side dulu ya. Yo, inhale, left knee bend and lift. Good. Exhale, external rotation, open to the side. Stay, inhale there. Exhale, internal rotation, knee to chest or cross to the right elbow. Inhale, external rotation, open to the side. Exhale, internal rotation, left knee facing back and left knee down to the floor. Okay, let's do it one more round, yeah, for the right knee. Good. Inhale, right knee up. Yeah, first neutral your hip. Exhale, open to the side, external rotation like puppies. Yes. Inhale there. Exhale, internal rotation and cross to the left elbow if you can, or just right knee chest. Inhale, open to the side, yeah, circling the right hips. Exhale, internal rotation. Good. And this time, right knee to your right elbow and step forward outside of your right palm. Ya, melangkah ke depan. Okay, good. First round we do with the foot in between your hand. Yeah, this time the right foot outside of your hand. Okay, now feel the difference on the groin, yeah, the inner hip joints. Okay, from here, inhale, push again your hip back. Yeah, can you feel the difference? Yeah, exhale, right knee bend, push your hips forward. Yeah, so more space on the right inner thighs, right groin. Inhale, push your hips back. Exhale, bend your right knee, push your hips forward, stretching for the left front thigh. One more. Inhale into half split with the right foot wider. Exhale, bend again your right knee. Okay, this time we add on, yeah. Lift your left foot. Yeah, external rotation of the hips, the knee, and then you do this mini side angle. Okay, keep the right palm pushed to the floor. Inhale, now open the hips to the side, open the chest to the side, circle your left arm from the back. Ya, dari belakang tangan kirinya, and lift up. Mini side angle, ya, mini parsva. Exhale, push your hips to your left heel, sit down on the floor, sit down on your left heel. You can try to straight your right leg and forward bend in between your thighs. Yeah, let's do it one more. Bend your right knee, right palm down inside of your right foot. Circle your left arm, mini side angle. Open your chest to the left. Open the hips. Exhale again. Push your hip to the heel. Stretch your right leg, stretching for the hamstring, and then forward bend in between your thighs. Okay, good. Inhale. Now right knee bend, palms down. Adjust your left knee, left thighs into internal rotation. Back to your low lunge. Great. Exhale. Lift your left knee up. Yeah, now try with the left knee up. Inhale. Both legs straight into your pyramid. Exhale again, bend your right knee, yeah, into your lunge this time. One more. Inhale, push your hips back into your pyramid. Exhale again, push your hips forward, right knee bend. Then release your left knee down to the floor. Yeah, this time just circle like you sweeping the floor with your right leg, right toes. Circle your right leg to the side. Yeah, keep straight your right leg. And then back. Left knee down, cow. Left knee down to the floor. Yes, and then circle your right leg to the side. Straight. No. Yeah, from the floor, from the outside of your... Okay, I will facing this. From outside of your right palm, kick to the side. Yeah, sweep the floor with your right toes. And then back. And then pull in. Back to the first position, tabletop. Yes, good. Let's do it for the left side, yeah? Palms down, right knee down. Yeah, inhale, left knee up. Okay, left knee up. Exhale, external rotation of your left knee, left hips. And then internal rotation, cross to the right elbow. Inhale to the left elbow and circle your left hips. And then open, internal rotation. And then left knee to your left elbow and step forward outside of your left palm. Ya, sekarang kakinya di luar tangan ya, the left foot outside of your left palms. Good. Inhale like we did before. Push your hips back straight, your left leg. Yeah, but this time with the left foot wider, feel also the inner left groin. Ya, exhale again, bend your left knee. Lebih ke pangkal paha kiri. Ya, atau yang sehari-hari bahasanya selangkangan kiri. Okay, exhale again, push your hips back. Yeah, feel when we do this, stretching for the hamstring. And bend again your left knee. One more. You inhale, push your hips back, half split, stretching for the back of your left thigh. Exhale, bend again your left knee, push your hips slightly forward, stretching for the right front thigh. And this time, right knee bend, lift your right toes. External rotation of your right hip. Now open your right hip to the side. Inhale, mini side angle. Circle your right arm. Open your right chest. Just push your left shoulder to your left thigh. Exhale, push your hip to your right heel. Sit on your heel. And then do your forward bend in between your thighs. Straight your left leg. Let's do it one more round. Yeah, left knee bend, left palm inside of your left foot. Inhale, open your right shoulder. And exhale, push again your right hip to the heel. Come to your forward bend in between your thighs. Good. Inhale again, bend your left knee. Okay, press your palms. This time, adjust your back leg. Come back to your low lunge. Yeah. And now try to lift your right knee up. Inhale. Exhale, straight your both legs into your pyramid. One more. Inhale into your lunge, hips forward. Exhale, push your hips back into your pyramid pose. One more inhale. And exhale, hips back into your pyramid. Straight your both legs. Good. Inhale, again bend your left knee, lunge. Right knee down to the floor. Now just sweep the floor with your left toes. Yeah, so like you draw a half circle. And to the back. Internal rotation of your left hip. Pull in your left knee into your first position, down dog. Table. And last one. Now start from down dog. Yo, angkat bokongnya ke atas. Okay, this is also more strengthening for your arms. Okay, stay one breath in, down dog. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Now you can lift your left heel up, right leg up, straight, 3-leg dog. Now right leg up, 3-leg dog, but left heel up, tumit kirinya angkat ke atas. Ya, sehingga bisa dorongnya pinggulnya lebih tinggi ke atas. Yes. Okay, stay one breath there in this 3-leg dog. First, square your hips. Now exhale. Now open your right knee. Yeah, first round we did before with the closed, the hips square. But this time open your right knee, so feel also the external rotation of your right thigh, right hip. Stay one breath. Inhale. And exhale. Drop back. Yeah, bend left knee first slightly, then drop back. Sit down on the floor, facing to the back of your mat. Okay, now open your right thigh into Janu Sirsasana. Inhale, lift your arms. Good. Exhale again to your Janu, to the left foot. Yeah, forward bend, but with the right hip open. Stay one breath in this Janu, stretching also for the left hamstring. And exhale. Inhale all the way up, arms up. Good. Exhale, twist your body, twist your body to the right. Yeah, right palm to the floor into your mini vaulting. So hips up, right knee, right shin bones to the floor. Press your left foot down and circle your left arm into your mini vaulting. Open more your chest. Yes, exhale, hips down again to the floor. Twist your body to the left, facing to the mat. Yeah, left palm to the floor. Okay, this time inhale into your vaulting. Circle your right arm. Good. Exhale, right palm to the floor. And then right knee to your chest, into your plank, knee chest. And then open to the left this time. Yeah, so external rotation of your left foot. And kick your right leg to the side. If you can, one line with your right hand. Yeah, with your right palm. Yeah, to extend it vaulting. Okay, inhale, circle your left arm. Look forward or look down. Okay, this time exhale, sit down on the floor. Into your Upavista. Yeah, wide leg seated position. Good. Arms up. Inhale. Let's do it only side bending to the left. So left hand grab your right thigh. Side bend to your left hand, your left thigh. Maybe you can grab your your left toes with your right hand. Now rotate your torso. Open more your ribs to the sky. Stay one breath there. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Inhale via forward bend into Upavista, forward bend in between your thighs. And then turn your body to the right leg. Press your palms to the floor on your mat. Okay, facing forward, ke depan lagi. Ya, ke arah depan matas lagi Mbak Deci. Tangannya dua-duanya. Nah, now lift your hips up. Inhale. Internal rotation of your left leg back. Yeah. This time right knee again to your chest. kick your right leg up, 3-leg dog, square your hip, and downward facing dog. Exhale. Okay, other side. Good. Left leg up, inhale, 3-leg dog. Good. Lift your right heel so you can push your hips more up. Good. And exhale, bend your left knee, tekuk lutut kirinya di atas, left knee bend. But this time open, don't bend to the chest, cow. Open up, left knee up, open to the side. Preparation of wild thing drop back. Yeah. Left knee facing up, pointing up, like you do 3-leg dog cow. Like you do 3-leg dog, the left knee up. Yes, bend your left knee. Now open to the side, tekuk lututnya ubun. And slowly, right knee bend slightly and drop back. Jadi jatuhnya nggak gedebuk ya. Pakai control. Sit down into your Janu Sirsasana, open your left thigh. Good, facing back ya. Angkat tangannya ke atas, inhale, arms up. First do your forward bend to your right leg, Janu Sirsa. Ya, ke arah paha kanan, kaki kanan dulu. Oke, bahunya sejajarkan lagi, Nola. Left shoulder facing down. Bahunya jangan miring, menghadap ke arah kaki kanan dua-duanya. Kedua bahu. Yes. Good. Now inhale all the way up and swing your body back. Yeah, now left palm to the floor. Yeah, open to the left side. Mini vaulting. Yeah, inhale, push your hips up. Circle your right arm. Yeah, left palm down, cow. Yes, and then hips up. Yes, mini vaulting. Inhale. Good. Exhale, sit down on your mat. Yes, now twist your body to the mat, right palm down to the floor. Yeah, left knee facing up. Inhale into your vaulting. Push your hips up. Right shoulder also before up, you can do with the scapula humerus. Circle your left arm. Now exhale, look down to the mat, left palm down to the mat, and left knee to your chest. Left knee to your chest, shoulder forward. Good. Inhale, kick to the right side, extend it, walk. If you can, left foot one line with your left hand. Yes, extended vaulting, push your hips up, tenang ke samping kanan, Aileen, udah benar? Tenang kaki kirinya ke kanan. Kaki kirinya tenang ke kanan. No, bukan, jangan drop back. Knee chest, nah itu dia. Oke, circle your arm, look forward or look down into your extended vaulting. Exhale, sit down on your mat, Upavista Konasana, wide leg seated position. Yes, and side bend, raise your arms up. Side bend to your right thigh, your right shoulder closer to your right thigh. Okay, maybe you can grab your right toes. Once you can grab, rotate your torso so you can open your left ribs up. Yeah, feel the side bending there. One breath in this side bend, Upavista, inhale. And exhale via forward bend in between your thighs, Upavista, forward bend. Yes, good. And then turn to the front of your mat, palms down to the floor. And now more engagement, lift your hips up, inhale. Yes, left knee chest, exhale. Good, left leg up, 3-leg dog. And exhale, come to your child pose. Okay, stay one breath in child pose. Exhaling completely. Good. Only roll up, inhale. Exhale, come to your Garuda. Yeah, relax the shoulder after more strengthening of the arms. Left below the right into Garuda sana. Okay, inhale, lift your elbows slightly up. Exhale, extend forward into your forward bend, but this time if you can, only left elbow down. Yeah, not forearm but only the elbow, so you want to reach the elbow forward. but push your hips back to your heel. Yeah, so the forward bend not rounding, but extend more forward. Stay one breath. Inhale. Can also the left thumb close to the forehead. Yes, feel also the outer arms. Great. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, release other side. Yeah, right below the left to Garudasana, arm. Inhale, lift your elbows up. Exhale, reach forward. Yeah, pointing the elbow forward. Lengthen your spine and then landing the right elbow down. Right thumb closer to the forehead, also okay. Yeah, so you can feel the lengthening of the upper spine. Push your hips back and also stretching for the left outer arm. Stay for a moment. Inhale and exhale. All the way up. Inhale and exhale. Release your hand. Relax your hands beside your hips into Balasana. Yeah, shoulder down, forehead down. Stay in this Balasana. Yeah. Good. Continue with Martin, yeah.
Okay, stay in child pose. Let's continue with a little bit more high gravity movement. So Tasha have given you the low gravity movement, and let's move a little bit to the high gravity, strengthening our legs, and also we will focus on the hips and shoulder. Yeah, so from there, from child pose, come to your tabletop. Extend your back, lengthen your spine, and exhale. Come back to your downward facing dog. Stretch your back again, lengthen your spine. Spread your fingers, spread your toes. Open your feet about with hip distance. Yeah, lengthen your back. So feel that first the movement in your hips. You can just move your hips to the right, to the left. Bend the knee in one time so that you can feel that hips again moving, and also the lower back stretching. Breathe. One more. Inhaling and exhaling. And inhale from here. Let's do a vinyasa plank into your cobra directly. So bend the knees to the floor, and then from here, back foot down, bend your elbows, shoulder back into your cobra. Lengthen. Drag your hands back. Exhale, chin in, and then roll back into your downward facing dog. Make this movement 3 times. Inhale to your plank. And then bend the knees. Exhale, roll your shoulder back into your cobra. Inhale. And exhale, chin in, round your back, pull back, tuck your toes into your downward facing dog. Last one. Inhale, plank, shoulder forward. Exhale, bend the knees, shoulder back, rolling forward directly to your cobra. Inhale. And exhale from here. Bend the knees. Yeah, pull your hips back. Walk your hands back into your Malasana in the back of your mat, and then open your knees a bit wider. Yeah, so open your knees, press your heels down, pull your hips back, and then lean forward into your Malasana. Yeah, so forehead down, open your hips. You can also move your hands back, grab your heel, and then go down deeper with your forehead down to the floor. Hips keep low. Stay here into your Malasana. Lower down. Yes. Deepen your opening of your hips. Deepening of your forward bend. And exhaling calmly. Inhale. Look up. And exhale. Look forward, inhale. And Uttanasana, feet parallel. And then from here, inhale. You can do standing split. Lift your right leg up. Standing split. Yeah. And lift your chest this time. Yeah, lift your chest. Inhale. Exhale, go deeper into your forward bend now. Grab your ankle, left ankle with your left hand, and go deeper into your stretch in your forward bend. Stretch your hamstring, stretch your calf muscle, and go into your standing split deeper. Oh, nice. Yeah, so kick your right leg up, straight your right leg up. Bagus semua ya. Stay there. Angkat lagi kakinya, Aileen. Yeah, you can open your right hip slightly so you can stretch the leg. And exhale from here. Bend the right knee. Yeah, bend the right knee. Now kick through. Yeah, kick through. Don't touch the floor into your half Hanuman. Lower down. Extend your back. Lower down. Forehead down. Yeah. So feel that stress on your right hamstring. Stretch in your back. Inhale from here. Bend the right knee. And then now circle your right arms. And then open your chest. Yeah, open your shoulder, twist. And grab your ankle with your left ankle with your right hand. Lift your chest. Yeah. Turn your body to the right side. And then push your hips slightly forward into your twisted Anjaneyasana. Yeah. And spread your fingers, lengthen your side body long. Look down into your right shoulder. Alright, just look to the right side. Very good. And exhale. Lean forward. Now lift your left knee up from the floor. And then now right hand to the midline. Right hand grab your left shin bone, stretch your right leg. Option, you can grab your left ankle with your left hand. Right ankle with your right hand. Right ankle with your left hand and the right hand to your left shin bone. Open your shoulder and open twist. Ya, open twist to the midline. Lagi, Clara. Ya, raih kalau bisa tangan kiri ke pergelangan kaki kiri. Ke pergelangan kaki kanan, sorry. And buka lagi ketiaknya. Open your left armpit. Ya, open your left armpit. Ya, lagi Nola. Open your right. Yeah, that's right. Open your left armpit, and you can feel that stretch in your left side body. Deepen. And there is there is a stretch in your obliques muscle and also in the ribs muscle. We call it serratus anterior muscle. Serratus muscle, yeah, serratus anterior muscle. And then exhaling completely, bend the knee from here, and then stretch your arms forward to warrior 2. Bend the right knee, warrior 2. Yeah. So open your hip, open your both thighs into the external rotation. Push your left thighs back, push your right knees back. So you open both legs. Yeah, feel the feet grounding to the floor. Keep your arms straight. Take a deep inhale here. So stretch your hamstring, stretch your inner groin here, the inner groin and also the area in the pelvic floor. And exhale from here. Lean forward into your Parsva Konasana. You can put your right elbow either to your right thigh or right hand to your to the foot, to the outer right foot. Externally rotate your left shoulder and then your left arm into your left ear. Parsva Konasana. Yeah. So lengthen again your left side body here. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. And now inhale. Step your left foot just halfway forward. And then left leg up to your Ardha Chandrasana. Externally rotate your left hip. Ardha Chandrasana. Open. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, flex your left foot or flointing your left foot. Active your left foot. active your back leg and grounding your right heel down, right big toe down to the floor. Open your chest, lengthen your spine, keep your left hip, left leg in one line, opening your inner hamstring also again. Exhale. Now from here, left leg into the left side, left leg to the left side. So this is another Ardha Chandrasana variation. Keep your left arms up. Yeah, stay there. So this is to strengthen again your inner thigh. And exhaling, yeah, from here, bend the left knee, inhale into your crane. Yeah, into your crane. Externally rotate your left hip. You can do this Shiva pose a little bit to your twists. Yeah, so you bend the right knee, open your hips, flex your left foot. Yeah, very nice. This is my favorite pose. Yeah, and exhale, left leg into the right thigh. Now from here, forward bend, go down, push your hips back, bend the knee, and then lean your body forward, your chest toward your shin bone, and then hug your left shin bone with your both elbows. Stay there. And the last one, inhale. If you can, lift into your standing pigeon. Lift your left leg up, standing pigeon. Yeah, hug your left shin bone. Stay there for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Left leg step back. Whew. The right foot. Yeah, very tiring. Yeah, but it's very good for your activation. The right leg. Inhale, right leg up, 3 legs up. Now exhale, bend the right knee, drop back to your left side. Again, the scapula humeral rhythm like Tasha did already. You can do few times. Left shoulder back, squeeze your blades in, bend your elbow and chest up. Push your hip to the back of your mat. Lift your heels, externally rotate your right arm into your wild thing. Stay there. Do your wild thing. Breathe. Lengthen your back. Open your chest. Stretch your right belly. And exhale. Come back to your downward facing dog. Inhale to your plank. Exhale, knees down, shoulder back, rolling to your cobra. And lift your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Exhale, bend the knees, pull back into your Malasana again. Malasana. And then push your hips back, rounding your back, open your hips, go down deeper into your Malasana. Option, just straight your arms forward, or you can bind your hands back, or grab your heel, go down deeper to your Malasana. Stay there. Yeah, very nice everyone. Lower your hips down, lagi nolak, ya, buka lagi hipsnya, buka lututnya ke samping, dorong lagi pinggul ke depan. Buat kamu mendingan tangannya ke depan aja, nolak. Kalau buat kamu tangannya ke depan aja, dorong pinggulnya ke belakang. Yeah, so your hips is not yet very open, so that let your arms forward so that you can push your hips back more. Inhale, look forward. Ardha Uttanasana, walk your hands back. Exhale, Uttanasana, go down. Yeah. And then the left side, left leg up to your standing split. And you can go down deeper. Yeah. First, you can stay here or go down deeper. Grab your ankle, forehead down to your shin bone. Lift up your left leg into the sky. Feel that stretch in your right hamstring, right calf muscle, the left inner thigh. Stay here, breathe, balancing. Exhale. Bend the knee. Yeah, bend the knee. Kick through into your half Hanuman. And go down. Dorong lagi pinggul ke depan. Dorong pinggul belakang, dorong dada ke depan. Stay there. and flex your left foot, don't lock the joint, active your knee cap, pull into your left thigh and go down deeper to your forward bend. Stretch your left hamstring, stretch your back. Inhale, bend the left knee, circle your left arms back. Inhale into your Anjaniya twist. Grab your ankle, grab your right ankle with your left hand and twist. Push your chest slightly up, push your hips slightly forward, and then twist your spine. Twist your spine, more. Don't go too much deep to the back before you twist your spine. So lengthen and twist and then grab ankle so that you can feel that extension in your spine first before you go to the lower back for the back bend. Yeah. Stay there for 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Lift your right knee up from the floor. Now stretch your left leg or slightly bend and then to the midline. Exhale. Grab your right shin bone with your left hand. Grabbing into your ankle if you can, or you can grab your right hand to your left ankle. Open twist. Parsva Trikonasana. So feel that stretch in your right side body, also in the left side body. That is really a open twist is very good for the spine. Yeah. And after twist, another open twist. Breathe deeply. Exhaling completely. One more inhale and exhale. Inhale, roll up to your warrior 2. Bend the left knee, 90-degree angle. Lower your hips down. Stretch your inner groin. Stretch your left hamstring. And press your both feet down to the floor, grounding to the floor. Stretch your arms, open your shoulder. Look to your right side or look to your left hand, your choice. Breathe deeply. And exhale. Now from here, bend your left elbow to your left thigh. This is option 1. Or you can put your left hand down beside your left foot, the outside. And then from here, circle your right arms back. Externally rotate your right arms into your Parsva Konasana. Lengthen your right side body. Keep your left knee bent, 90-degree angle. Very nice. Stretching your back muscle. Stretching your spine here. Stretching your left hamstring, right side body. Keep your right foot, right hip, right side body in one line. Exhaling. Look down, round slightly the back, step your right foot forward, yeah, and then put your left hands forward, lift your right leg up from the floor to your Ardha Chandrasana. Open your hip, open your right shoulder, lift your right arms up, stay there, flex your right foot. Yeah, very nice. And one more breath, inhale. And exhale. Now right leg into the right side. Keep the balance here. Keep your right arms up. Engage the inner thigh here. Engage the inner thigh in the front thigh so that you can hold in the sky. And exhale. Bend the left, bend the right knee. Inhale, crane. Lift up. Crane. Externally rotate your right hip and then twist into your Siva pose. Yeah. Stay there. This is a transition. Yeah. And then put your right ankle to your left knee and go down into your forward bend with your right hip externally rotate, right shin bone parallel, and then hug your right shin bone with your both elbow. Option you stay here or lift up. Inhale into your standing pigeon. Yeah, standing pigeon. Yeah, press your left foot down, lift up, stay there for 1, 2. You can slightly bend the left knee. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, release. Back. Woo, the left foot. You can really feel that tension, yeah, in your foot, and that is a good tension. Inhale, left leg up into your 3-leg stop. Exhale, bend the left knee, drop back into your right side. Again, your scapula humeral rhythm. You can move 2-3 times to let the shoulder open. Squeeze your shoulder blades in, bend your elbow, and then chest up. Push your hip to the back of your mat. Lift your heels, scoop your tailbone in, lift your chest into your wild thing. Extend your spine. Extend your left side body. You can straight your right leg, press down to the floor, keep your left knee bent, lift your left heel up. Lengthen your left side body. This is very good for your stretch in the intestine, yeah, also in the inner organ, your stomach, yeah. If you have problem with the stomach, it's very nice stretch for your stomach. And exhale, downward dog. Inhale, bend the knee into your plank first. Exhale, knees down, shoulder back, rolling to your cobra. Yeah, very good. And exhale now from here to downward facing dog again. Stay in downward dog. Breathe deeply. Exhaling completely. Now from here, inhale, right leg up to your 3-leg stop. Exhale now, right leg forward to your pigeon. Keep your right shin bone and left right knee and right ankle in one line if you can. Yeah, pigeon. You can lift slightly the hip. Yeah, no need to go down. So active your pigeon. Active your pigeon. Stay here. So opening the hip. So after we did the standing pigeon, we can go down. Now you can feel a little bit deeper in your pigeon. Yeah, stay there. Breathe, inhale. Exhale. Now from here, the left knee bend. The left knee bend, the back leg. And then now turn your left foot 90-degree angle to the back. And exhale, sit down. Yeah. So this is a little bit challenging, this pose. Yeah. Usually we do mermaid pose with the hip square. But now we do the pigeon or the Eka Pada Raja Kapotasana with the hips open. Yeah, with this open. Or you can do also a 90-90. Yeah, 90-90. So that you having an internal rotation on the left hip, external rotation on your right hip. Now I want you to lean slightly forward and now lift your left foot up from the floor. Lift the back leg up from the floor. So feel that opening on your left hips joint. Yeah. Okay. So stay there. Lift cow. Lift your left heel up from the floor. Yes. And then from here, grab your inner left ankle with your left hand. And then bring your left heel closer into your left hip. Yeah, keep that internally rotation on your left hip. And then from here, stay here. Yeah, stay here. Or you can grab your ankle, grab your elbow into your ankle, slide in, but keep your internal rotation on your left hip. Yeah, so that is really a challenging for that is depending on your rotation in your hip. Yeah, stay there if you cannot do anything more. Don't push yourself to injury. Now if you can, lift your right arms and then bind your hand if you can, so you can feel this stretching in your right side body and then also the internal rotation in your left hip. Stay there. Yeah. It's a little bit challenging for you who don't have that a little bit mobility in your hips. Yeah, but I saw that you are already very nice, everyone. Yeah. So feel that stretch. Yeah. Keep the internal rotation on your left hip. Stay there for another 3 more breaths. Yeah, feel that stretch in your right side body. And exhale. Release your left foot down. And then from here, now external rotate your left hip. And then kick your right leg forward into your Skandasana. Yeah, left leg in external rotation, right leg straight. The right hand down on the front of your mat. Again, scapula humeral rhythm, shoulder back. Yeah, this is called Skanda vaulting. Yeah, from here, push your hips up, and then lift your hip, and then external rotate your left arm. You can lift your left heel into Skanda vaulting. Yeah, stay there, breathe. Take a deep inhaling. Exhaling. One more breath here, inhale. And exhale, go down back to the floor. The left leg internal, the right leg external again. And then back into the square hips. Straight back the left leg, inhale. Now exhale, the right leg, yeah, the right knee up. And then put your right foot out to your right side of your mat. Yeah, into your lizard, to your lizard pose. Right hand inside of your right foot. Yeah, very nice. This is a little bit complicated, and because we want to go deeper into the hips and twists, yeah, I know that this is sometimes not functional, very, I would say sometimes it's a little bit challenging for our hips, but sometimes we need some challenging, yeah, some challenges, yeah. So open your hip, you can bend your elbow to the floor, to your lizard. Stay here. Stay there. Take a deep inhale. And slow exhale. Now inhale. Straight again your arms. Exhale. Now walk your right foot in. Yeah, I'm facing a little bit to the camera so that you can see. Yeah, walk your right foot in, and then now put your right shoulder in below your right knee. Below your right knee. The right shoulder below your right knee, and then again bend your elbow, grab your ankle, and push your hips slightly forward. Go down. There is option 1, just a deeper lizard pose. If you can, yeah. Now a little bit more challenge is that bend the left knee. Bend the left knee, and then you grab your right hand to your left ankle, and then press your left heel down, left heel to your hip. Stay there. Yeah. Yeah, that is already very nice. Very nice. Exhale. Very good. Ya, ya, okay, no problem. Tarik lagi masuk bahunya ke dalam, Nola. Ya, masukin lagi bahunya ke dalam, grab deeper. And exhale, release. Ya, exhale, release. And stretch your right leg. Now, stretch your right leg into half Hanuman. Lengthen your back. Yeah. And watch here first. Yeah, just do here in the half Hanuman and watch me first. Yeah, I will face to the camera so that you can see my approach. Yeah, so you are here now. Just watch first. This is a little bit challenging, but no need if you are not yet open. When you're not open, just do the same pose like before. Yeah, now you go down deeper here, and then if you can grab your ankle, put your head below your calf muscle. Yeah, but then it is not a must. Yeah, this is just an option. So you can push your right hand to your ankle and push your shoulder back and roll down your head. Yeah, and roll down your head, and then you can bend the knee and then grab. Yeah, so that is another option. Okay, you can try. Yeah, but if not, just do the same thing like before. You just do this and then bend the knee and stay there. If you can, put your head below the calf muscle. Yeah, and then you can grab your ankle. Yeah, it is a little bit challenging, and this is opening the hip and also the twist in one time. So this is an open twist. Yeah, we did before. It's an open twist and also a hips opening in one time. Very nice. Yeah, this is my my pose for the yoga challenge yesterday. We call it the twisting lizard. Yeah, exhale, release. Good. Very nice. Inhale now, Anjaneyasana. Just stretch your back. After forward bend, just stretch your arms up, Anjaneyasana. Lengthen your back. And exhale, downward facing dog. Yeah. Stay in downward dog. Breathe deeply. Exhaling completely. Stretch again your spine. Breathe to your nose. Exhaling to the nose. Inhale, the left side, left leg up to your 3 legs dog. Open your left hip. And exhale, come to your pigeon. Left leg forward, left ankle, and your left knee in one line. Stay into your pigeon. Yeah. Feel this deepening on your left hips joint opening. Extend your back, lengthen your back. And now from here, bend your right leg, flexion your right leg, and contract your right hamstring. Yeah, stay there. And then exhale, turn your right leg in. So internal rotate your right leg. And exhale, hips down. Yeah, so you have the 90-90 angle. So the back leg is internal rotation. Yeah. And now from here, yeah, try to lift your right ankle from the floor by leaning maybe your body forward. So here, so lift, active your right leg, and then active your inner hips. So your right foot is up from the floor. Your right foot up from the floor. Lean slightly forward. Lift your right foot up from the floor. Lift your right foot up. Yes. Yeah. This is an active stretch. Yeah. So if you can go deeper into into internal rotation, means that your right leg is higher. It's good. Yeah. Stay there. Inhale. Now exhale. Grab your ankle. Grab your right ankle with your right hand. And then now bend your right elbow. Keep your internal rotation. If you can, keep your right leg higher. And then right heel into your hip. Bend the right elbow. Internal rotate your right leg. And now you can sliding, if you can, your right elbow into your right foot. Your right elbow into your right foot. Internal rotate your right thigh, right hip. And then if you can, lift your left arms up, and you can bind with your internal rotation on your right hip. Just look to the right side. So that is really a more mobility on your hips joint. So usually we are many of our hips is too much external. Now we are working with internal rotation. Yeah, very nice. So internal rotate your right leg. Yeah, stay there. Stay there, breathe deeply. Exhaling completely. And release, inhale. Exhale, left foot down. Now from here, external rotate your right leg, open to the side, kick your left leg into the left side, into your Skandasana. External rotate your left shoulder, again your scapula humeral rhythm. Yeah, squeeze your elbows in, lift your chest, tuck your tailbone in, and press your left foot down. Lift your hips, lift your right heel to your Skanda vaulting. Yeah, stay there, Skanda vaulting. Stay here for another 3 breaths. Lengthen your back. 2 and 1. Exhale down. Again, internal rotate your right hip, external rotate your left leg. Again, turn your hip square forward to your pigeon. Inhale. Exhale. Now press your hands down, lift your hips, and then put your left foot into the left side of your mat. And then the left hand in to your lizard. Bend your elbow and stay here into your lizard. Yeah. Breathe. Yes. Now, so feel that in opening on your left hips, stretching in your left hamstring, stretching in your lower back, and now flexion your right foot, flexion again your right foot. Yeah, nice. And exhale. Now from here, put your left shoulder in to your left knee, walk your left foot slightly in, stay there, already okay. Just grab your ankle, flexion your right leg, that is okay. If you can, grab your left ankle with your right hand, release your left hand, internal rotate your left shoulder, and grab your left foot. Grab your right foot with your left hand. Stay there. So you can stretch your psoas, stretch your shoulder in one time. Stay like this. Yeah. Or if you want, another challenge is that you release first and then move your hips back, grab your ankle with your left hand, pull your shoulder in, and then try to put your head below your calf muscle, and then bend the knee and grab. Stay there into your open twist lizard. Yeah. Sometimes your stomach can be cramping because there's really a forward bend is really need a contraction on your belly. Yeah, it's a core. Yeah, it's a core practice, not only flexibility, but very core practice. So you can go deeper into your forward bend. Very good, Clara. Oh, nice. Ya. Tangan kanannya pegang ankle aja, jangan pegang itu. Tangan kanannya pegang ankle, tangan kanan. Clara. Tangan kanannya pegang ankle kiri. Tangan kanan jangan ke belakang. Tangan kanannya pegang ankle kiri, tangan kiri yang ke belakang. Ya. Yeah, and then you put your head back, head down. Yeah. Okay, and release. Inhale. Release, inhale. Anjaneyasana. Woo. Lengthen your back. Nice. This is such a nice stretch, yeah, with the forward bend twist, yeah, in one time. An open twist is really nice for your spine. Sometimes you need to do this, yeah, like a child. Yeah, a child can do anything. Yeah, when we a baby, we can do so much thing because baby is so flexible. Their spine, their hips is so open. And exhale down. Last pose. Yeah. Now right foot forward, both feet forward. And then come to Malasana. Yeah, Malasana again. And then from Malasana, Now hips down, open. Yeah, I will turn to the camera. Yeah, so we do we call the pose is Supta Kurmasana and Supta Kurmasana. Yeah, so Kurmasana is just put your shoulder inside of your knees. Yeah, and then stretch your arms to the side. Just bend the knee is okay. If you can flex your foot and go down deeper with your knees squeezing to your shoulder, forehead down. That is Kurmasana. Now the Supta Kurmasana, yeah, and you release again. The Supta Kurmasana is just bending the knee, yeah, and then the hands to the back, yeah. Or you can do also Supta Kurmasana later with your both ankles grab with your hand and forehead down, or cross, yeah, like that. Or if you cannot, just move back a little bit, yeah, and you can move your hands back, and then walk your foot in, right foot in, cross your leg, and then crown head down, and then grab your hand from the back, bind your hand into Supta Kurmasana, yeah, and you can go there. You can go there as much as you can. Again, this is, yeah, this pose, a forward bend is different than the normal forward bend. This forward bend need core practice, yeah, that needs a core engagement. So you suck your belly in, and then you can posterior to the pelvic, and then go inside deeper into your forward bend. Yeah, preparation for Wednesday with David Swenson, Supta Kurmasana or Kurmasana. Yeah, press the knee to your shoulder. Yeah, very nice. Stay there. Breathe. You can do Kurmasana or Supta Kurmasana. Masukin lagi Egi, tangannya, bahunya masukin lagi, jalan lagi, tangannya ke belakang, tangannya di bawah bokong dulu aja. Kalau bisa binding di bawah hipsnya, nggak usah di punggung. And then you can walk up, you can walk your hands up and binding. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. Stay one more breath. Inhale in Kurmasana or Supta Kurmasana, and exhale. Yeah. Now inhale, roll up, exhale. From here, just lay down, and then keep your knee open. Yeah, like we did the Supta Kurmasana. Now we do in the supine position. Same thing. Yeah. So just feet together and bring your heel into your head. Yeah, this is we call it Supta. Not Supta. It's a yogi sleeping pose or yogi nidrasana. Yeah, yogi nidrasana. That is also an hip opening similar to the Supta Kurmasana in a supine position. Yeah. So forehead, heel to your forehead, just open your hip. Or if you can also put your head, put your leg behind your head, cross the other side, yeah, so that you can make another form of Supta Kurmasana with your spine on the floor. And then maybe you can open your hips, and then maybe you can bind your hand. Yeah, good, Egi, nice. Yeah, that is a Yogi Dandasana. So you can bind, you can look up, push your head back towards your leg, and you can feel that stretch in your back. Yeah, and also a still engagement in the core. If you cannot, just do happy baby also can, or just put your feet together, stay there. Breathe deeply. Exhaling completely. And now from here, yang kaki belakang kepala. Ya, sekarang kembali ke depan. So keep your hand grabbing your ankle. Squeeze the knee to your shoulder. Now roll up, roll back. Ya, roll up, roll back. Massage your back. Massage your back. Turn 360 degree angle to the back of your mat, and then roll up, roll down. Engage the core. So massage your back. This is very good massage for your ginjal, yeah, your gallbladder. It's very nice massage for your gallbladder. Yeah, and exhale. After you come back to the front of your mat, release down. Oh, very good. Yeah, so you have to turn, Nola, turn 360, come back to the same position as before. Yeah, 360 degree, and then relax. Nice, very nice. Take a deep inhale and slowly exhale. Just do savasana here. Don't do anything. Yeah, just open your feet to the side, open your hips, relax and neutral your spine, and open your palms to the ceiling. Just relax your shoulder. Relax your back, neutral your spine. Just for a moment, breathe into your nose. Exhaling to the nose. Feel the sensation of your practice today. For the full body, from the toes towards your head. Relax deeper and deeper. And gently, slowly bend the knees. Keep your feet down to the floor and just move your knees side to side, just gently, to awaken again your body with the windshield wiper, and also to releasing the tension in your back, maybe if there is some still there. And feel also the twist in your spine gently. And then at the end, lift your left arms up above your head and turn your body to the left side. Put your left arms as your pillow. Stay here. Breathe into your nose. Exhaling into the nose. And feel the sensation of your practice. Relax the body. Relax your mind. And stretch your right leg and roll up, come up into your sitting position. Cross your leg to your Sukhasana and put your hands to your heart. Touch your thumb to your heart. Bow your head. May this yoga practice on the mat bring purification to our mind, our body, and our soul. Bring happiness, peacefulness into our heart, our mind. Thank you for sharing your positive energy with us today. Namaste everyone, thank you. Oke, ya itu dia ya. Mobility and flexibility practice with us. So let's have a picture together. Yeah. Active stretch always making sweaty ya. Okay, 1, 2, and cheers. Thank you everyone. Ya, thank you. Wih, rambut baru Egi. See you. Rambut baru ya Egi ya. Okay, thank you, Mbak Yuli, thank you, Nola, thank you, Deci. Yo, thank you.